Welcome. This is an awareness video. So I hope all the Indian folks would be getting, most of them would be getting the LPG cylinder, be it from Indian or HP, or it could be from Bharat Gas. But are you getting the right quantity when it is delivered? And these days the prices has gone up drastically, but are you getting the right quantity of Bharat gas which is delivered at your doorstep? How do we check that? That's the video on this. So we all know that there is a seal over here, but seal in the sense a kind of a plastic seal is being provided. But in spite of that, are you getting it in right quantities? Meaning, like for a family, in our case, we get up to anywhere above 35 days. We have a small family, we get gas consumptions are available for 35 plus days generally. But suddenly, if you're not getting for that many days, if it is something like if you're getting for 25 days, 28 days, 30 days, there could be some pilferage. It could be a new cylinder, probably somewhere down the supply chain. Some might have used it, and it could come to your home, and it gets delivered in spite of they making a kind of a seal and a kind of a plastic seal, and then they could sell it as well. So what is the option? How do we know that we are getting the right quantity? So how do we go about that? Let's see. I was checking in the web. So how do we identify the right cylinder? So I got to know that, and now you could use that as well. This actually I got it from Hindustan Petroleum website, which provides the detail. The weight of empty cylinder is up around 14.2 kgs. So that is the empty cylinder plus the weight of the gas gets filled up. So that is around, it's about 30 kgs. So how do we, so before accepting delivery fill, you're advised to check the weight of the cylinder. And it is not only for Hindustan Petroleum, be it Indian or be it Bharat Gas. These are the details. Maybe I'll make it 120 so that you will be able to see better. Yeah. So assurance at your doorsteps. So if you look at it, it is provided by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural, Government of India, and it is belongs to, whether it is Indian, e-Bharat or HP gas, it's applicable to all. So check that the cylinder seal is intact. Cylinder seal is intact, that is very difficult to find out, because generally it comes with a plastic wrapper, and somebody could still manipulate that plastic wrapper. So you got to still check the weight, and the total weight is 30 kgs. What is interesting is that your LPG delivery man carries a weighing scale. So you can insist on a weighing scale with the delivery man. I need to check. Most of them 90% of the delivery men are genuine. They will accept and they will show you the weight. Some of them might hesitate, and that's where it becomes a little bit dicey. So ensure that, but it is our right as a consumer. You need to ask for the weighing scale, and they are supposed to provide the weighing scale. Otherwise, approach the distributor and say that I need to check the weight. So total weight, if you look at it, gross weight is 30 kgs. So approximately 29.5 kgs. So it should show 30 kgs because the empty weight is up to about, the empty cylinder is around 15 kgs, and the weight of the LPG gas is 14 kgs. So totally around 29 plus, if the the weighing machine shows 29 plus, then you can be certain that it's a full cylinder. So less than that, few kgs less than that, it could be kind of somewhere in the supply chain something, some mess could have happened, someone would have used it. So I ensure that the gross weight is approximately 29 plus kgs before taking delivery. The important point is this is issued in public interest by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India. So, and they say your LPG man, delivery man carries the weighing scale. So insist on the weighing scale, check the weight before taking delivery of your LPG cylinder. I hope it's useful. Thank you.